The Chartreuse Swizzle is a refreshing and complex cocktail featuring the herbal liqueur, Green Chartreuse. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces, Green Chartreuse, a herbal liqueur with a vibrant green color. 1 ounce pineapple juice, preferably fresh for a richer flavor. 3/4 ounce, lime juice, freshly squeezed. 1/2 ounce velvet falernum, a sweet syrup with hints of ginger, lime, and almond. 1 dash Angostura bitters, optional, for added depth. Crushed ice. Garnish mint sprig and lime wheel, for decoration and aroma. For equipment you will need jigger, swizzle stick or bar spoon, highball or Collins glass. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball or Collins glass with crushed ice. Add green chartreuse, pineapple juice, lime juice, velvet falernum, and Angostura bitters to the glass. Use a swizzle stick or bar spoon to mix the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring the mixture is well chilled and evenly distributed. Top up with more crushed ice if needed to fill the glass. Garnish with a mint sprig and a lime wheel. Green Chartreuse is made by Carthusian monks in the French Alps, using a recipe that is over 400 years old, and includes 130 different herbs and plants.